Hi, my name is Akiva Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan, and today we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public, so please subscribe to our channel. You know, when we talk about parenting rights, visitation rights, parenting time, all sorts of names for the same thing that discuss what time the parents of the children are going to spend with the children. But there's another aspect of this that has to do with grandparents. And to what degree do grandparents have parenting time rights? And I'll tell you, the short answer is to a very small degree, okay? There are some situations where the court determines that it's in the best interest of the child and that it would hurt the child if the grandparents weren't involved. I'll give you an example. Let's say grandparents raise the child. Kids, they have a child. The child since birth has been living with the grandparents, and the child's 10 years old. If the child were now to go to live with mom or dad, that child could really be psychologically detrimentally impacted by that separation. So the grandparents could file a petition before the court and likely convince the court that it's in the best interest of the child that that relationship be maintained. The court may well order grandparenting rights. If not, though, it is always possible that if the grandparents don't want to pursue their own custody rights, for example, they might still be able to get guardianship over a child. I mean, there's certain circumstances where, let's say mom's nowhere to be found, never been around. And dad's been around. And maybe these are his parents. So there's the paternal grandparents, but maybe dad's going to jail for the next 3 years. What are they supposed to do? Grandparents, they don't have the custody rights. There aren't visitation rights scheduled. What should they do? Well, they should probably consider a petition for guardianship. The guardianship is not like custody. Custody may be more long-term. Guardianship is, by its nature, tends to be a short-term item. Really, it's revisited routinely to see if the letters of guardianship should be updated and continued, but it's a very good alternative because with guardianship, the kid can continue to reside with the grandparents. With guardianship, the grandparents can put that child in school, could bring that child to medical appointments. They have all those rights that they get with their letters of guardianship, with their letters of authority. So that's an important alternative and a good choice in the event that custody or parenting time for whatever reason is a tough sell. If you have any questions about that, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.